Alright everyone, I have a very good news. I finally received the CNC made tamper. This is a stainless steel materials, a food grade stainless steel materials, as well as the telescoping or the mechanism inside that push or move the tamper up and down. So that's also CNC made. So it's really smooth now. It's really high quality. I'm really happy with the update. So let's turn it on. This is the switch, and this is always the changing the setting tab. I usually start with 15, so yeah. So I keep adding the portafilter so that I can try making sure that it is working, or hopefully I figure which one is not working so I can, start or keep improving. And the way the tamper works is like sensing this part, like I call it the ear, and we are using the optic sensing. So it's actually an IR, so I use the remote control, and then I can like try to make it move just for testing, so you can see it's moving up and down. So yeah, so this is the latest update. It's really happy now with this stainless steel tamper. So thank you so much for your support. I'm going to keep updating and then upgrade and then keep bring the quality higher. I'm still working on the body part. I'm still looking for the right manufacturers, the professional manufacturers. So please hang in there. I'm going to keep you the story and any potential and see from there. Thank you.